France, even banana model place of Switzerland almost killed me. Let's go! やばマジ This thing I came back to the station. And next, I'm heading to Lungen from Grindelwald. I are about Lungen. Wow, so blue. Huh? Oh, I thought it's bird. No. I feel like more local because there are few visitors, so I feel so comfortable here. This is real Switzerland. No bad people, no garbage, just nature and beautiful scenery. I thought at first everything is expensive in Switzerland and I wouldn't be able to have so much fun from bottom of my heart, but it was wrong. Everything is so fun here. Oh, vlog. I'm taking a vlog. I found a so cool church. いいね。かっこいいね。I'm thirsty. Tough position though. Even if it's crowded, it doesn't matter. It's also another beautiful aspect of this country. Looks so mysterious, so majestic. Smell and beautiful. I wanna live. I wanna stay forever, but not forever. It's so unbelievable. Why is it so blue? Light green. It's amazing. It's unbelievable. What? I didn't edit anything, but so beautiful. This is real face of Switzerland. Oh my god. ありえない。え、すげえな。あ。I found it. Not so clean, I think. This is local, I think. Oh, this is good aspect. I won't see, but it's gonna be rainy soon, so I have to go back. Baby. I'm going back to Zurich. On contrary, Zurich is loud. Seems high crime rate. I'm scared. Good morning. This is day 3 in Switzerland. Dude, I was so wiped out I slept like a rock. Nothing could wake me up. Woke up at like a 5 a.m. This is what I expect in Switzerland. And holy crap, it was insanely loud outside. Is that a cleaning car? Today, I'm going to Zermatt from Zurich. It's famous for the Matterhorn. It is one of the most iconic mountains in the Alps. The Matterhorn rising 4,478 meters on the border of Switzerland and Italy. Its pyramid shape is a true symbol of Switzerland. 3 hours later, I am at Zermatt. I'm off to buy a cable car ticket to Zurich to get to Bernhard. Wow! Thank you for welcoming. You often see circular type of car because they're electric cars. There is. I bought a ticket. It was 62 sheets, so expensive. But I can get to Brown Hill, which has a Lake Stacy where I really want to visit. This is via Tsunaga. This is how a ticket works here. So cool! Heading to Brown Hill. That is parachute. Can you imagine you can fly here? It's so horny. I arrived at Brown Hill. Surprisingly, you can find Wi-Fi here. It's called Matterhorn free Wi-Fi. Ha ha! Let's walk. That is photo spot. But are you guys sure? You could take a wonderful peek at the Lake Zurich, reflecting the mountains. You guys are only thinking about what they can earn today. This is the most best chance. Let's go. So beautiful. Wait. Oh. No, wait. The lake is there. Oh my god. I took the long way. The photo spot I mentioned before is the correct way to the lake. I made fun of people who took photos there, but I was wrong. Sometimes I found looks like this shop. Like this. Like this. Like that. Almost there! なんか詰められてた。もう頑張ったね。これ見ると壊したくなるじゃん。いや、ダメ。そういうのは絶対ダメなんやな。Oh, a man is taking photos. I'm rooting for you. We arrived at Lake Zurich. A life is swimming. I was there. Finally, I'm on track. Sorry for making fun of guys. Open your dream. Wow. This is the most beautiful scenery in my life. It's so famous that you cover packaging of the Swiss chocolate tavern on the Matterhorn. Imagine condom. Wow! Don't act as if I'm a girl. Time to eat. I made many onigiri. Cheers. Take us. A dog has no collar. You're free. I'm jealous. See, I will be a dog at the company in Japan in the near future. I'm not free dog. You remind me about my hopeless future, but you're cute. Solitary toilet looks so comfortable to finish. Is that toilet? So cool, man. Water came from a lake. Alps water. I'm going back by the way. I came back at the Zermatt. McDonald's is so fancy. It's hot. Let's go. I got ice cream with honey. McDonald's here is also expensive. To reach honey, the best way to eat is as if you kissed. Wow, deep. Next, I'm heading to Interlaken. so beautiful, beautiful. 2 hours later, we arrive at Interlaken. We can see giraffe here. Wait, なんだこれ? What is this? This is Switzerland. I can't stop laughing. It sounds like a whale. Double set. A train and a cruise carry human hope. Even cigarette is swimming comfortably. I feel like exploring more here. 気持ちよさそう。Portrait makes me much better travelers. Wow. Actually, wow, so cold. It's so cold. As I endure more, I make you happier. I'm walking. I can feel majestic nature. Holy. Thank you, Interlaken. It's very local in Switzerland. It looks like it's so similar to countryside in Japan. So I feel so nostalgic and I feel better. I feel so much fun here. This is my country. This can be my country. Yeah, I love Switzerland. Woohoo! Interlaken! Yep. I'm walking. I'm exploring in Interlaken. Wow. What's... Oh. Bye bye! Who is that? Bye bye! Oh, wow. Random people waved their hands to me. We are already friends. This is what I love traveling. I'm walking into the town. A cat is aiming something. Meow. I found a market called Coop. As I look around, there is nothing to do, especially just beautiful town, just beautiful city. A little bit church, but I'm okay. So I'm gonna home. Bye bye. Oh yeah, I came back to Zurich. Walking on the street is very hard. A dangerous atmosphere. Yeah. Last night we don't have roommates in my hostel, in my room. I'm so lucky. I can sleep well tonight. And I will go next destination tomorrow. Goodbye. See you next journey.